welcome Eric Santos.
Unang sumali si Eric Santos sa Star na Million noong September sa ASAP Mania. Pero sa kasawayang palad ay hindi siya nanalo. Pero nung nagkaroon ng wild card, muling sumali si Eric at this time round, siya na ang nanalo at naging panghuling grand finalist to complete the Circle of 10.
Grabe, ang saya-saya ko noon. Halos hindi ako makakanta dahil naiyak ako sa tuwa.
Ngayong gabi, muling magbabakasakali si Eric at susubukan niya ang kanyang galing na abutin ang tagumpay, ang katuparan ng kanyang mga pangarap.
Grabe, ang dami kong pinagdaanan para makarating dito. Dati, sinasabi ng mga tao, hindi ako magaling kumanta at wala raw ako mararating sa pagkanta-kanta ko.
Handang-handa na ang ating wildcard grand finalist. Sigurado akong you will go wild sa performance ng grand finalist number 3, Mr. Eric Santos.
Wala siya nung Christmas tsaka nung New Year. So, ino-offer ko lahat to, aside from the Lord, sa dad ko. My doubts and demons on their way. This is the moment, the greatest moment.
Mga kaibigan ang mommy ni Eric. Hello, mommy. Hello.
Si Mami Lita and ang kanyang utol na si Ron Ron.
At ang kanyang sister.
Okay.
Teka
Mami,
lang. Hi.
kanina, habang pumapalo ng matinding nota si Eric, kanina, nakikita ko kayo, may pagganyan-ganyan pa kayo. Sa inyo, kanino ba nakuha ang galing nitong mamang Eric na to?
Sa father niya.
Sa daddy.
Mahilig kumanta.
Aha. Ikaw, Ron Ron, anong nararamdaman mo habang kumakanta si Eric?
Mixed emotions.
Mixed emotions, ha? Ano pa?
Our first runner-up, Cherry Reyes! Our grand winner, Eric Santos! Congratulations, ABS-CBN Vice President for Creative Synergy and Star Director.
Eric, congratulations on your 10th year. 10 years in the business, that's a long time. I think you're gonna go a long, long way. So, stay who you are, don't forget where you came from, and stop singing like me.
Grabe, batang-bata pa lang ako. Eric Santos ka na. Talagang puso talaga yung pinapairal niya sa lahat ng mga performances niya.
Yung tatanungin niya yung sarili niya kung, Cynthia, palagay mo ba hanggang kailan pa ako gusto ng tao? Kakanta ka sa mga tao hanggang gusto mong kumanta para sa kanila. Dadaanan mo muna yung Martin Rivera level, pero in the long run, hanggang dulo, babasin ba level ka. So, ikaw yung kilala kong tao na hindi mahirap sa'yo magpatawad.
I think matatalo niya ako. Pero, and he did in the finals of Star in a Million. Ang ganda ng the times that we spent together, whether as friends or as competitors or as fellow singers in one concert.
One of my closest friends. I'm so happy that I am a part of your life.
Continue inspiring a lot of people through your songs.
Very solid naman yung brand, yung kung sino si Eric Santos sa industry. That's why he was given that title, Prince of Pop. Walang sumunod after 10 years, wala ka pa nakikita another Eric Santos.
Wala sa MMK natin before, grabe. Idol na idol kita doon. Ang galing mo, Marte.
Since naging successful yung theater debut mo, I think mas maganda na sundan pa siya.
I think amongst all singers today, whatever age, I think you are the best OPM singer.
Sana tuloy-tuloy na yung acting career mo kasi sobrang gusto talaga namin makita ka
sa teleserye and movie.
Acting, alam mo naman kung paano kita tinuruan at hindi mo ko pinahiya sa maalaala mo kaya. Kailangan na kasi ni Sir Gary Valenciano nakasunod eh. Feeling ko, ikaw, kasing confidence nandun eh. So yung skills lang ang dapat mong aralin. So,
I think he's one of the best comedians around. Siguro hindi lang yun na-experience ng lahat, pero bilang kaibigan, sobra siyang masayang kasama.
More than 100 songs, 50 theme songs, more than 8 albums. Sa dinami-dami ng mga songs na na-record namin ni Eric, pinaka-favorite ko pa rin yung pagbigyan. It's every songwriter's dream na ma-interpret ng maganda yung mga song nila. At si Eric never fails to do that.
Know that we will always be behind you, supporting every move that you make.
Kuya Rick, naka-isang dekada na tayo pareho, tayo ng mga champions, I'm really blessed to be part of your journey here in this business. At naging bahagi ka rin ng buhay ko. Yung galing mo, nag-uumapaw talaga every time na napapanood kita. Intense, talagang wow, intense talaga.
Eric, you're not just a good entertainer, you're not just a good singer, you're a good man. The first 10 years was great, the next 10 years will even be great. God bless you, my friend. Thank you for all the laughter and all the smiles and all the inspiration. And there'll be many more to come. I can't wait to see it happen to you. Congrats.